Hey guys, as usual I'm Shreyas. I'm from Teen Bodybuilding India. So guys, today I'll be showing you my post-workout meal. So this is what I'm having. So first let me introduce to you all the new dish which I have found in the market. So this is known as kori roti or rice roti. This is a dry wafers made up of red rice or boiled rice as you call in the southern part of India. So this is basically made of boiled rice, guys. I don't know how it is prepared, but this is the final product you get. It just consists of boiled rice, so that you don't have to boil the rice and wait for about 1 hour to get your meal. So the one good thing about this is that this is you will get this packaged in the stores. And the other then one of the disadvantages is that you have to eat this with any gravy items like chicken curry or mutton curry or even beef curry or any other uh, gravy items which taste great, because if you have it without anything it will taste very bad. So I advise you have it with chicken curry as I'm having here. There's not much chicken breast left, guys, for me, so today I had 2 scoops of whey protein, where I got 60 grams of protein. So this is what I'm having, guys, and as usual my favorite post workout, this is egg whites. So I'm having around 1 2 3 4 5 6 egg whites here. So I won't be eating all the yolks, guys. I just hate that because it contains cholesterol and it's not good for my health. But if you are lean you can try that out, but I just go with egg whites. So in this post workout meal, including my post workout shake, I will get around I'd say 80 grams of protein. Yeah guys, 80 grams of protein. So again let me show you again guys let me show you this is called as kori roti or rice roti. It is made of boiled rice. So guys, I hope you check out your local stores. If you find it, just try it out. So guys, I'll be back again. Take care, stay fit, and let me have my meal, guys.